Second early bird draw for the Temagami Community Foundation Truck and Boat Lottery. We have a draw today for $2,500 cash. And before we do that, I'd like to acknowledge our staff, Wyatt Butler and Rebecca Waddell, who've done a terrific job this summer coordinating all the sales. All of our vendors, from Kirkland Lake to Burner, North Bay, Temagami, have all sold many tickets, and far up north is Saskatchewan. Now we have one of our biggest vendor is Nam here on my right, who has owns the Petro Canada here in Temagami and sells a lot of tickets for us. We have the boat and truck parked there on a regular basis, and we've left it there today. But behind me is our second prize, which is the Sea Doo, and the grand prize will be drawn on, and the second prize will be drawn on August 31st, Thursday. So if you haven't bought a ticket, buy one before then. If you bought one already, buy another one. Double your chances. So we're ready to make this draw for the second early $2,500. Ready? Okay. Drum beat, drum roll. Joel Bedard, New Liskeard, Ontario.
Woo!
And his ticket will go back in the drum to be included for the big prize, second prize, and the first prize draw on August 31st. Thank you very much, and congratulations, Joel Bedard.